Xin chào mọi người, mình là Ngọc Hà, giáo viên đến từ The IELTS Workshop. Và hôm nay mình mang đến cho mọi người một video speaking sample part 2, Describe a female person who contributes to the society. Okay, so let's go. You know, I've come to realize that there are many ways one can give back to the community. I mean, you don't have to be a doctor who saves thousands of lives or a billionaire who donates to every charity project around the world. Today, I want to talk about a public figure who uses her talent and platforms to empower others. Her name is Suboi, who is a Vietnamese female artist that I really admire. If you are not familiar with her, she is a singer, songwriter, and rapper who has acquired the reputation as the Vietnam's Queen of Hip Hop, a title which I think is well deserved. I came to know her through one of her songs, Cho Không, and I was immediately hooked. What impressed me most was her unique melody, her empowering message, and how she managed to incorporate cultural elements into her videos. I wouldn't say what she has achieved is an overnight success. In fact, she's had somewhat of a hard-knock life. Being a woman working in a conventionally male-dominated industry, she has encountered numerous prejudices regarding her competence and career choice. But of course, she didn't let that affect her. Instead, she proved everyone wrong with her talent and resilience. In my opinion, Suboi is one of the most impactful artists in our country. Through her music, she has attracted many domestic and international fans, putting Vietnamese music on the map. Her success story has paved the way for generations of female hip-hop artists and inspire young girls like me to challenge the stereotypes that have been holding us back and strive for our most ambitious dreams. Và vừa rồi là video Speaking Sample Part 2. Cũng sắp đến ngày Phụ nữ Việt Nam rồi. Mình mong là video vừa rồi đã giúp cho các bạn học thêm được nhiều từ mới về chủ đề Women. Mình là Ngọc Hà, giáo viên tại The IELTS Workshop và hẹn gặp lại các bạn trong các video lần sau.